I'm often asked about recovery after a knee replacement, and that usually falls into two categories. One would be, when can I return to work? And I think there's two sides of that. The first is the simple desk position or the home office. You can really go back when you're ready. I've had patients go back as early as a few days after their knee replacement. The average office worker can go back within a couple weeks. The more active job, maybe you get around the community, you're a courier, you have a large office building, you might decide 4 to 6 weeks is right for you. I think it's a decision made between you and your physician. The other side about return to activity is, what about recreation? What about traveling, or I want to go to the gym? I like to think that by 4 to 6 weeks, most patients after a knee replacement are re-engaged in their life almost to the fullest. Maybe not always at full steam, but they are starting to take those things back in their life that they were giving up for so long. And I would hope that each day after that only gets better in your recovery.